People out and about today have been weathering these wind gusts, but despite that, some are trying to take advantage of this unseasonably warm weather. Fox 4's Jacob Kittelstadt joins us now live from Overland Park, connecting with people on the challenges of this blustery day, but just rolled up on the scene of a tree on a house, Jacob?
Yes, that's right, Christelle. Look at the damage just here behind me. We're told by authorities that fortunately no one was home at the time that this happened. There have been no injuries, but it shows just how very powerful these winds have been throughout the day and growing in strength as we move into the evening. The creaking branches of the Shawnee Christmas tree hide the tumbled star shooting downwards in strong winds. But some things still require a push for movement, like this swing at Loose Park.
It's pretty windy. We went to Whole Foods earlier and I thought we were going to blow away. So yeah, I mean, her being only about 25 pounds, I thought maybe, if I'm not holding onto her pretty good, she could blow away.
While this parent doesn't have any outdoor decor to worry about,
I'm going to fight it a little bit.
Mike Vale is something of an authority.
It also puts a strain on the rope where the rope is rubbing up there against that pulley. That's where most of the wear is on the rope.
Vale owns Flag Source Unlimited, an unassuming shop in Shawnee with big clients, including schools and businesses.
Yeah, we've notified some of our major accounts, like some of our banks, that we recommend they take their flags completely down. The flags are meant to be out in the wind, but when you get that flag standing straight out like that and it just keeps going like that, frays them, rips them. You can go ahead and grab that end before there you go.
Do you often drive by flags that you feel have seen better days?
Yes. And
how does that make you feel?
Alert somebody about they should replace it. Yeah, I do that. Right. When it starts ripping down the stripes, that's not nice.
And he actually recommends taking those flags down when it hits 35, 40 miles per hour. So we get to these points where we're seeing 60+ mile per hour winds taking down big trees like this. It's dangerous. We're also seeing some darker clouds moving into this area as we speak, John. So we'll be monitoring that into the evening here.
Jacob, that line of storms is approaching. Jacob Kittelstadt tonight. Jake, thanks.